Welcome to Measure. Define ended with a promise, a first reply within 2 business hours. Measure is where we stop guessing and start looking at the process that has to keep it. And the first step is drawing its borders. With a SIPOC, on the Processes tab, every process gets its own SIPOC and value stream map. We name ours Ticket First Response Flow, from ticket arrival to first human reply. And the spec limit comes straight from our CTQ, upper limit 2 hours. There's no lower limit, a fast reply is never a defect, so LSL stays empty. Add process. A SIPOC line reads left to right, one flow at a time. The customer supplies a support ticket, it lands in the queue, and a queued ticket waits with the support team. Add the line. Next, the ticketing system supplies product area and severity. An agent triages it, and a categorized ticket reaches the team lead. Then the heart of the work, the agent researches the issue. That step stands alone, and that's fine. Blank cells are simply skipped. And last, the agent sends the first reply, producing the first response for the customer. Now look at the process column. 4 steps in order, exactly the border's first picture we wanted. And the tab has already promised what happens next. These steps flow straight into the value stream map below, waiting to be timed. That's the whole territory on one card, and anyone joining this project knows exactly where the process starts and stops. Borders drawn. Next lesson, we walk inside them, the value stream map, where those 4 steps get timed. See you there.